Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Living King and I am back with another pack opening. I have 10k saved up and we're going to pull one pack. Let's see who we get. Show me magic! Garbage ass nigga. I'm so tired of pulling him. Well, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I guess I'll show you his stats since there's nothing better to do. There he is. Got all 9 rebounds, but that's it on this guy. Nothing else on him, not even fast. Alright, that's going to be the end of this video. See you guys next time. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more pack openings. And see you guys next time.